Here's how to add some background color to your Matplotlib data labels. The code you see here creates this plot with some plain data labels. For a deeper dive into this code, click the linked video below. Now let's add some background color to these labels. Inside the parentheses of plt.text, I'm going to add a parameter called bbox, which stands for background box, and set it equal to a dictionary with my desired customizations. The first thing I did was set box style equal to square. This will create a square around my data label. One thing to note is another option is round. Next, I'm going to change the background of the data label to yellow by setting face color equal to the hex code for yellow. Then I'm also going to change the border around the data label to purple by setting edge color equal to the hex value for purple. And then I'm going to make that border thicker than normal by setting line width equal to 4. One thing to note is the higher the number, the bigger the border. And then to make the background box a little bit transparent, I set alpha equal to 0.7. One thing to note is a value closer to 0 is more transparent. When I run the code, now the plot has data labels with a yellow background and a purple border. One thing to note is you can increase the size of the background box by putting a comma after your box style and setting pad equal to an integer. The higher the number, the bigger the background. Now when I run the code, you see the background for those data labels are much bigger. Like and subscribe for more Python videos.